like it is your boy Business. This gang banging media. 2Ks, man. Gang. Appreciate everybody for coming through. You already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If I made the right move, man, you know. So, lately, I have been trying my best to put my money into things that's valuable. You know what I mean? Now, when I say valuable, I mean whole value, growing value. You know what I mean? Things like that, especially during these trying times, you know. So I've really been stepping away from the more customized pieces that hurt the value of my materialistic type of things. You know what I mean? Like Rolexes, for instance. We love our bust down Rolexes, all that type of stuff. But the problem with them a lot of times is they lose value. Even if, you know, a lot of them say, oh, you know, they don't lose value, you put quality stones in it. Yeah, but if you keep something original, it just clearly makes it more valuable and more appeasing to more people. It is what it is, you know. Not everybody wants something that's been tarnished and damn destroyed, you know. It's like burning money. And I'm not trying to burn my money, especially not now. The world is not getting better, it seems like, in a lot of places like America. You know, if you live here in America, you see what's going on, inflation, all that type of stuff, real estate out of control, lack of having things. You know, Rolex is another thing that's like, it's not something you can just go get. You gotta get on a waiting list. It's not easy to get a Rollie right now. Not a new one. You can get an old one, a used one, but not a brand new one, untouched, you know, 2022. And I was blessed to get one, so that's where we at with it today. If I made the right move, you know what to do. Go down below. Let the boy know, you know what I'm saying? ABA, you're on the right path. Keep doing your thing. You know, this is something I wanted to add to my collection. I want to build up my Rolex game, you know. As y'all know, I've got a couple Cartiers. I got the chronograph, two-tone joint. I also got the large two-tone Santos Dumont joint. I mean, I'm trying to get my levels up, you know what I mean? Trying to step it up, you know what I mean? This right here right now, honestly, this is my favorite watch. You know, I got the rubber strap on with it right now. I wear this watch quite a bit. You know, I would prefer to actually wear this watch over damn near everything that I have. I really love it a ton. It's just a sexy piece, and it goes with a lot that I wear. Like even right now, I got my ashy black on with the ashy black pants on, with the ashy black Yeezys, with the off-white socks. You know what I mean? It's more sporty when you rock it this way, and I like that type of stuff. So I'm trying to step my collection up where I'm getting quality pieces, you know what I mean, and I'm adding to my collection and things that can possibly be worth something later on, you know what I mean? Or if I ever want to offload it, I can at least get damn near what I paid for. I ain't gonna hold y'all no longer. This is the unboxing. I just want to give a quick little rundown on what the watch is. It's a 2022. You know what I mean? We lit right now. We just added something super fly to the collection. And yeah, this is how I feel right now, man. Real vibe situation. You know what I mean? So if you ever see me and I ain't got no jewelry on, I just got that thing on, it's like, yeah, the money over here, baby. You feel me? The money over here. We getting to it, you know? Yeah, on a light day, you know what I mean? Watch ain't even that bad. You know, you're going to pay around anywhere. If you able to wait, you're going to be at the $10,000 mark if you're able to wait. You know what I mean? But the moment you get it, you're going to be at the $15,000 mark. The watch is like 15 grand. The best prices I've seen right now for this watch is about $13,350. It's about $13,350. That's like the best prices I've seen all across the board. But normally they selling around 14 something, like 14 knocking on 15 all day long. That's what this watch is selling for. And again, it's because it's just unavailable. You're not able to get them. And hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. So I was one of the lucky ones, and here we are today. You know what I mean? But I ain't gonna hold y'all no longer. You know what I mean? I know I've been talking. I'm just excited about it. You know, it's always an exciting time when you can get a Rollie to add to your collection. And this is where we are with it, man. So I'm gonna shut my damn mouth. We don't get it smoking. Comment down below if you think it's lit right now. You know what I'm saying? And we gonna rock straight like that. You know what I mean? 2Ks, gang. All right, here we go. Ooh. Hold on now. Let's get that thing open, man. Yes, sir. You see it. You see it. Shout out the mayors, man. Blessing the kid. Okay. Oh, put that theme music on, you know what I'm saying? Look at that beautiful baby right there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There it go, y'all. There it go. You know what I mean? Got our tags on that joint. You know. Yes, sir. Look at that bad boy. Clean. Little unboxing, man. You know, I ain't want to hold y'all like that. I just want to let y'all see what it do. You know what I mean? I be excited about this stuff, man. I be wanting somebody to be excited with me. Look at this beautiful thing. Still got the, you know what I mean? Let me take that out. Let's pop that joint out real quick. Okay. See that ceramic dial? You see how that joint move? Okay. Let's see what they was talking about. It's pretty cool. So you literally can turn this bad boy and get him together. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Let me put it back. There we go. Yeah, man. Bracelet look really nice. Super clean. You know. Let me take this bad boy off and get it on the wrist a little bit. And let y'all see it that way. But I like it, man. First impression. You know, I got to see it the other day. Super clean. Super nice. Let's put this bad boy down. So when you get it, you know, it's pretty much what it's gonna come like. I think also it's got a, yeah, so it's got all documentation, you know, all your stuff up in here about the watch, how to use the watch, how to adjust it, all that type of stuff. Pretty fire. You got warranty card, all that type of good stuff. I think this is yeah, this got my motto and serial code, the purchase date, all that type of stuff, you know. We gonna keep that a little more personal. Want nobody copying my stuff, doing nothing weird. I don't know. You just never know. A bunch of weird stuff to be going on. Yeah, so you get your warranty booklet, you get your Rolex certification card. You know what I'm saying? This how your stuff come. On the other side, it had your purchase date. Let me block my whatchamacallit. Hold on a second. My serial number, but it had your purchase date, as you can see here, and then it have like your model number. You know what I mean? Yeah. So pretty cool. I don't know if it means something like to have like to keep your serial numbers and stuff undisclosed. I don't know. I'm just, hey, better safe than sorry. I gotta look that up. I'm not sure though. I just seen online like every time I'm looking at somebody's stuff, it's like they block off their serial numbers. I don't know why they do that, but I seen them doing it, so I'm doing it for right now until I know what the hell that mean. You feel me? So, but yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Let me take off my beautiful baby right here. Let me take this off. See if we can get this on the wrist real fast. Look at that thing. Jesus Christ, Cartier. Alright. Put that rollie. Let's put that rollie on real quick though. Let's slam that rollie on. You know what I mean? Let's put this rollie on. 1 second. Put the rollie on. Shoosh. Put that rollie on. Y'all tell me if this the sauce or no. You know what I'm saying? Let me know. Let me move these tags. I got these tags all over the place. Hold on a second. Let me take my rings off too, because my rings is definitely in the way. I gotta learn how to do that adjustment thing that I seen them doing too. I gotta look that up. I'm gonna look that up in a minute. But let me take my rings off real quick. That way it don't take away from the watch. Take them diamonds off real fast. And let's see here. That joint clean. Sheesh. So clean. Classy. You know what I mean? You know, you ain't really on much. Like it goes with the fit too, you know. You put your little stuff on. And boy, listen here. You are in there like a champ. In there like swimwear. Talk about it. Ooh. Shoo. Y'all see it, man. That looks so good. Oh my God. What y'all think, man? Comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. I think it's clean. I think it's fire, man. For the price, you know what I mean? You're going to spend about damn near $10,000. It's like $9,700. You know what I mean? With the taxes, all that, you're going to be right at the $10K mark. But to get a watch that's like this right now, I mean, and know you walking out the door with something that's a little rarer, because this watch right now, like I said, you're looking at $15,000. You know what I mean? Anywhere between all day long, 13.5 and 15 grand all day long. You know, so if you can get your hands on one, man, this is a good buy. Super good buy. That's black sauce right there. Goodness gracious. You know. That's what the band look like. The bracelet. You know what I mean? Clean. Like, this is a super clean, classy diver watch right here. So this is just the unboxing, man. I'm gonna do another video possibly talking about it, all that type of good stuff. But I just wanted to let y'all see that thing, man. I like to share what I got, you know what I mean? Let y'all see what's smoking. Fire. So fire. Beautiful, beautiful watch. You know. You see all the markings and engravings. Let me see here. Yeah, so you're going to have all your stuff inside here. You know, got the Rolex Move. The adjustable clasp. So this right here slides in, adjusts to your wrist. I'm going to play with that a little bit also, which that's a dope mechanism right there to be able to adjust the watch. I'm going to see how that works. And yeah, man, I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. Look, that thing already ticking. It's already moving. Look at that beautiful movement. Yeah, man. Beautiful, beautiful watch. Beautiful watch. And I think you might be able to see too. Let me see if I hit the light. Let me see if I can cut this light off. Let me see. Can I get it? You can see it a little bit, but the hands is definitely luminescent, like they glowing. I had to cut off everything, but they definitely hitting for sure. Definitely hitting. But yeah, man, fire. What y'all think? Y'all like it? Did I make the right move? Is this a clean little vibe? Tell me what's up, man. Tell me what's up. I think we made the right decision though, man. You know, I really do. This is a beautiful watch. Super clean, super classy, laid back on some gentleman stuff, you know. It's just fire. You know. So we gonna rock out like that, man. If you don't know what it is, you better act like it. Quick little unboxing, let y'all see what I just did, man. Look, see what I just did. You know. But we gonna do it like that, man. 2Ks, gang gang.